David Ruland asked a question, do you think live streaming will continue on post-COVID? Not only do I believe that live streaming will continue on, I think it's going to become more important. And what do I mean by that? I think in the past, a lot of people, events, houses of worship, schools, considered live streaming to be the enemy, a competitor to what you were doing live in front of people. I think what we've learned and everyone's seen is that live streaming helps you establish your brand, establish your message, and extend your reach. So if you're a house of worship, every Sunday or every Saturday, depending on your religion, you're only talking to the people who are in the house of worship at the time. Through live streaming, you could talk to hundreds or thousands of people at the same time. It doesn't mean they don't want to still come to church and get that live experience, but it means you make it easier for them to participate in something that they want to participate in. Let's face it, getting all the kids together, getting out of the house, we all have busy lives, we can't always watch it. Plus, there's an element to live streaming that I think people hear the word live and they forget. Anything you live stream, you can also allow to live on the internet, the web, forever and be available on demand. So just because I'm not available Sunday at 11 o'clock for church, or maybe I can't get to the big presentation that's happening because we're kicking off a new product at 3 p.m. on Tuesday, well, I can watch that as people watch our shows when they want to on their own time, on their own time frame. So what do we see? This is what we honestly see on video, guys. Today's show will probably be seen somewhere between 75 and 200 people live on Facebook, and probably about 25 to 50 people live on YouTube. By the end of the week, organically, those numbers will grow to maybe 200, 250 on Facebook, maybe 500 on YouTube. We then will post the show on YouTube on our various forums, user groups, our own blog, and get that number up closer to 1,000. Plus, quite frankly, we'll promote it, throwing a little dollars our way, to make it go even bigger. And then what happens is it gets to about 2,500 viewers. And then from 2,500 to 20,000, that's all organic growth based on who shared it, who's seen it, where it's gone. Now, think about that. If you're a brand who wants to market a new product, you could do a live webinar, consistently do it, reach 50 to 100 people. You can grow that to maybe 500 people within a week of people who watch it on demand from the various places you do it. And then with a small amount of money towards promoting, we're not talking about hundreds of dollars, we're talking about 50 or 100 bucks. You can get your shows up to the area of 1,500 to 2,500, and if it catches the right viral links or something where someone likes it and refers it or tags it or posts it on another page, maybe a user group or something like that, you can get to 20,000 views. If you go to the Video Guys YouTube channel, you will see we have several videos that have been to 5 to 10,000, a few that get to 10 to 15, and we've got some that have gotten over 20,000 views. We promote them to about 2,500. Everything that happens after that is all organic. So do I think live streaming is here to stay? I absolutely do, and I encourage everyone who's in any kind of video production, branding, or marketing to be live streaming. I'm going to say this very clearly. If you have a business and live streaming isn't part of your marketing, you're not really marketing. In this day and age, you must incorporate live streaming because it connects with your audience, it's authentic, and more importantly than that, it builds your brand and positions you as an expert in whatever area it is that you're live streaming about. So do I think live streaming will stay on past COVID? I absolutely do. I think it's here to stay. And in 2021, it's only going to get better. It's going to look better. It's going to sound better. It's going to work better. And it's going to get easier to do. So in 2020, we made streaming work. And in 2021, we make streaming easier and better. We're hoping that Video Guys helps you understand more about streaming so that you can do it better.
Thank you for watching this highlight from the Video Guys live webinar. If you like this video or you want to learn more, check out the full webinar in our description, or head on over to videoguys.com for more information.